How to watch part 2 of a TikTok video. Hello friend, welcome to this channel. My name is Maverick from Online with Maverick, and in today's video I'm going to be helping you to solve this issue of you being able to watch the part 2 of a TikTok video. All right, now it happens a lot, and you've watched the part 1 and you just feel like, oh, how can I go about watching this part 2? And a lot of people got confused in this aspect, so I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can watch part 2 of the TikTok video that you ever wish to watch. So now I'm going to be talking about several aspects, but first let's head over to a video now. Okay, so right here in this video, I like this cat story a lot, and this cat story is kind of very funny. And normally you should know that they won't be able to complete the whole video right here. So there will be part 2, part 3, part 4, and others. Okay, so now the first thing that you have to do is to first check out the profile. Okay, now a lot of people are always in a hurry, or they are kind of I mean, this story is kind of funny. All right, okay, let me just pause this. So now a lot of people are always in a hurry, okay, to check out the profile. They'll be like, oh no, there'll be a lot of videos there. I can check it out. Now the first thing you have to do is to check out the profile, because what you get to know is that so far the video is even being suggested to you, then it's really much more possible that the video is kind of new. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right here is you can see majorly sometimes now you can see that the title is the shoemaker, which you can see right here. Okay, so you can see the shoemaker, which is the title, and you can also see it right here, and you can see the date. That is what I get to check out. Okay, I check out the date so that I can use it to replicate other videos that are on the platform. Okay, that are on the profile rather. So when you see that, okay, so far this one is part 1 and it's 8 20th of August. All right, so what you got to do is to kind of check out videos that are also along 20th of August, okay, or August itself. All right, so I'm just going to tap on this profile here. Now remember, this is just the first method. I'm still going to talk about some other methods that you can still use. Okay, so this is cat story. I'm going to tap on that, and right here we are on the cat story platform. So now if I'm to scroll down a little bit, and let's just say I want to check out this one. Now you can see that this is July here, which is 6, I mean this is June rather, so you know that the video should be at the top around here. Okay, we can see the shoemaker right here, which is the video. This is the video here. So now checking it out, you should know that part 2 should be around here. Okay, this is part 3. Okay, this is part 3 right here. So now just check this out. All right, now you can see the part 2 right here. So it's simply just easy just for you to just check out the what's it called, for you to just check out the profile itself and just kind of get in house, and you will be able to get the part 2. Okay, and let's say for example maybe the video is kind of, maybe they have a lot of videos there, like maybe for example now you can see that this is part 2, this is part 3, so they just keep doing it part 4. Okay, you can see I could easily get part 4 out here. Okay, yeah, I could easily get part 4 right here. Okay, so here is part 3. So now let's say I just want to check out the part 4. Okay, another method you can use, okay, or even if it's the part 2, another method you can use is to check the comment box. Okay, you can check the comment section of the video. That way you will be able to get the part 2. Sometimes all these creators, they do link their part in the comment box. Okay, so all you just have to do, and sometimes it might also be a fan who asks. Okay, the fan might ask, a fan might ask for part 2 or part 3 or part 4. It happens a lot. So all you have to do is just to where is my touch? Okay, so right here just tap on this icon. Okay, you can see it, it's a comment icon there, so you tap on it, and okay, so right here you can see part 4. You can see this is part 3 right here. Okay, and tapping here you can see part 4 per favor. I think this person is from another country, I don't know how to pronounce that, but you can see the creator already linked part 4 to this person, because why? It's the person who asks. So sometimes, or majorly all the time, you will check out the comment box and you will see that some of the viewers also request for part 2 or part 3 or part 4, and from that you will be able to get the next part of the video. So now you can see the creator already linked here, the shoemaker part 4. All right, viral whatever, and here's the video here. So if I should tap on it now, you see it's gonna take me to part 4. You can see that already I am already in part 4 already. Okay, so this is exactly how you can also do this. Checking the comment box will help you out and it's gonna solve your problem. Okay, so instead of you just panicking, because right here you can see they are unable to always link. There is no way to link a video in the caption. The only thing that can happen here is the text and the hashtag. Okay, so there is no way you can link video right and put any link right here. So it's not your fault. The first thing you have to do is to go to their profile, check it out. Okay, or you come to this comment area right here. Okay, and you check it out. Okay, another thing you can also do is to check out the playlist. Sometimes not all of them do. Some of them do have playlist. Okay, you are gonna, let's check this out. So okay, so I think this user doesn't, I mean this profile doesn't have a playlist, but you are gonna see some playlist. It's gonna be at the middle here. It's gonna be in the middle. It's, we have, there will be an icon in the middle here. That is where you get the playlist. So sometimes they do list the, videos inside some other, kind of linking it, creating several playlists for their videos so that you'll be able to watch part one, part two, or whatever part. And another method you can also use, I think that's the third part, the playlist. Okay, it's a third part. This creator doesn't have a playlist, so but if there's a playlist, you're gonna see it here. Let me check. Oh no, oh no, they don't have a playlist. Yeah, they don't. If they have a playlist, you are, sorry about that, you are gonna see it right here. Okay, you're gonna see it right, it will be in the middle right here. So it'll be a playlist icon, and they're gonna list a lot of videos there. Okay, so which you can also use to check out. Okay, so you'll be able to see part one, part two, part three, or whatever. But I think this creator is kind of cool because this creator doesn't really um make it difficult. They've already include a title right here in their stuff. Okay, so now another method you can use is to follow the creator, and you can message them. Okay, so you can follow and message them. So that means if you are looking for a part, all you just have to do is to follow and tap on message right here. Okay, so you can tap on message. Okay, so you can follow the user, but the reason why I had to include this in the last is because if you are already following the user and the user is following you back, then that is cool, because sometimes you won't be able to send a message, okay, except if the user is following you back. All right, so that is just how it works. Okay, so the user has to follow you back for you to be able to message in some cases. All right, so now I think this user doesn't allow a stranger to just message them. Maybe they are getting a lot of messages, so I'm not allowed to message right here. But if you are able to message the creator, all you just have to do is to follow them and message and send them a message. Hello, please can I get part two of of video. Okay, or you just type the video title right there, and hopefully they are gonna get back to you, and you will be able to get the part two of the video that you ever wish for. All right, so this is exactly how you can go about this, my friend, and I believe this video has been very, very helpful. Okay, so please, if it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button. Okay, if it helps you, it encourages me to keep shooting more videos for you guys. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people. And also, don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment box so that it encourages me to also help you out, and also know that you really, really followed this video till the end. Thank you very much for your time, my friend, and I'm gonna see you in some other video tutorials. Peace and take care. Bye.